Hey, I'm Amy Feller with Feller Roofing, the home of the roofer chick. We're doing a project spotlight today. This house is in New Braunfels. It's actually off of Common Street over by Green, and it was a 3-tab shingle originally. The owner called because he had a lot of wind damage, and this neighborhood also has hail damage. He contacted his insurance and got a full insurance claim through Lighthouse Property Insurance. The customer opted to go back with a GAF Timberline HDZ shingle, and the color that he picked is one of my favorites. This is Pewter Gray. Also, his insurance paid to have, there was soffit on the back side of the house that the wind had knocked down, and his insurance had paid to have that repaired, and so we did that as well. So we do other things besides just roofing. This customer, for ventilation, he originally just had slant back vents, or we also call them turtle vents. They're static vents and they're not super efficient. We closed off all the holes and installed a electric power vent that has a thermostat on it, and it kicks off whenever the attic reaches 100 degrees. This property turned out amazing. It's very beautiful, and the homeowner was just delighted. He had a lot of great things to say about us. We're very proud of the job that we did. This is Amy with Feller Roofing, home of the roofer chick.